Hello, my dear viewers. MGA, welcome to the stream. Desert Island, welcome to the stream. Make sure that you smash those like buttons as soon as you join. And well, what is this? What are we doing here? We are doing a live webinar, and I'm your host here. I welcome you to this Lucas Copy webinar. You are watching the Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is Thursday. This is 2nd of March 2023. Alright guys, I'm not an employee of Lucas Copy, so I want to make it clear beforehand that everything that I say in this webinar has nothing to do with the Lucas Copy Bank. All the views, opinions, trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here are of my own. So do not accuse Lucas Copy for anything, or do not credit them. They have no say. They are just hosting me here. That's it. Alright guys, with that said, I just want to give a small introduction to those who are watching it in a repeat telecast, or maybe those who are new here, that in this webinar we will be only trading using the candlestick charts. We will not be talking about any other patterns, like any other type of charts like bar charts or area charts. No, nothing. And we'll not be talking about what is going on in which country. We'll just be taking a look at the charts and try to find out the key levels, and then we'll use those key levels to position ourselves in market in such a way that we are profitable at the end of the day. All right guys, with this said, I also want to show you that I will be answering all the questions that you ask in the chat. If you have any doubts, please let me know. I will try to clear them all. If you want me to see any other pair, any other commodity which is tradable and is being traded in this world, let me know. If it has a chart, we will try to interpret what is happening in the minds of the traders, those who are trading those instruments. All right, lastly, everything that I say in this live stream is only to increase your knowledge. It has I mean, I never want to want you to open any trade only based on my analysis. You should do your own research before you put your money on the line. I say it every day. It does not mean that you cannot use my analysis. I'm not saying you, it is not copyrighted, nothing. But please use your own mind also, whatever you're going to do, and always keep the statistics in your picture. That is, you are only going to risk less than 1% of your entire capital on a single trade, and you should aim for more than 3 times. And you should not just aim for it, you should analyze that whether there is a potential of this trade to give you 3%. If it is there, then open the trade. If it is not there, go watch some movie, take a walk, do whatever you want to do, but don't trade. Okay, so let us start the session by the opening chart of dollar index. This is the first thing that we do, but before that I want you to go through this standard risk disclaimer. This is very important. Pause the video here, look, read about it, understand it, digest it, and then proceed on to the charts. The first chart, as usual, is the dollar index. Well, this chart is suggesting me something. Well, there's a breakout on the 4-hour. At least we were expecting this area to act as a resistance, but it did not, and it was just for 4-hour, and we wanted this to break out of it actually and then go towards 105.39, if you remember. And we also want this market to go beyond and trade till 107.64, if you remember. So we want this to happen, but I think you will find more resistance here around 105.30 and 105.39 area. So keep a sharp eye at this area. I think we may get resistance here and get rejected also. In that case, it will become double top breakdown. But if it continues further towards 107, then 107.64 is the next area where I will be looking for the resistance. In between, there is nothing. All right, we have seen the dollar index. Now let us proceed to the euro. Well, the dollar break out to the upside, euro breaks down to the downside. But you see, still it is trying to, I'm not saying it is holding, but it is trying to hold this level. This is not the level, but this level, I will say. When we join these two lows, this high. So this, I think it is trying to hold, but eventually it has to break, because you remember the targets 1.0482. This is what we are looking for in the euro in case the dollar index tries to go towards 107.64. then we will be looking for the targets on the lower side on euro 1.0482. all right, right now the price is trading below 1.0612 area. Now this was a support and resistance in the past, so that's why see how this level is holding after a 4-hourly breakdown below this level is holding as the resistance. Now it may continue towards 1.0532 and even 1.0482. On the way down, this area here, which was the recent low, may provide some support to the price, some support. 1.0565 may give some support to the price, but the price will eventually be going lower, okay, in case the dollar keep going up to 107.64. I hope you agree with me, because the correlation is inverse correlation here, okay. All right, euro is done. If you have any questions regarding this, please let me know. Now you may be thinking that the structure of the market is up, it is going up. Yes, there is a possibility that it will get supported here and the price can continue up towards 1.0704 also. This is a possibility. So I'm not saying that you sell it here. No, don't sell it here. Okay, look for a selling opportunity, but don't sell it here because you are very close to the support areas. So what you want to say, Rakesh? What do you mean? What should I be doing? Well, if you see the structure of the market, it is intact. That is, it is still up till the time 1.0565 is not broken. You cannot say that the downtrending structure has started. That is, at least on the 4-hour, it is uptrending structure. But if you look at the daily, then the daily is a downtrending structure, my friends. Daily is a downtrending structure. So you keep this in mind, that I am talking on the 4-hourly, that on 4-hourly it is uptrending structure, but on the daily it is downtrending. So if you want to go with the higher time frame, you want lower time frame to align itself with the higher time frame. So 4-hourly should go into sell mode, but problem here is that if the 4-hourly goes to sell mode, then the possible or the potential target, that is 1.0532, which is the first target, is very small. Because once it breaks and retests this as a fresh resistance, then this target here, which is the first target, is very small. So the potential target is very small. So I don't think that there's some trade coming up here. But if you say you find the resistance at 1.0565 and you are targeting 1.0482, then there is a potential trade, I think. Okay, so keep an eye on this one if you can find a suitable trade here. Otherwise, just leave it. On the other hand, in the Great Britain pound, I tried to sell it today, but I booked very soon, like around 1980 I booked it, but it's okay. I was in only for intraday. And yes, 1.1840 area, this is the next support. You see how these three relative lows here and also this high here is aligning itself. I'm just keeping okay, do you see something? So this is now 1.1926 area is a good level, which is offering a lot of support to the price action here. So there is an expectation that price will consolidate between these two areas for some time and then explode to the upside. Now this is what I'm thinking. Okay, let us see how the things unfold here in this one or other highs. Otherwise, there is a possibility that the price take all these stop losses, come to this area, then there is a huge buying and takes the stop losses on the upside. Now this is also one possibility. Okay, let us see how the things unfold, but something explosive is going to happen above these stop losses or below these stop losses. Let us see how the things unfold. But if you ask me today the support is 1.1926 for the pound, and on the higher side we have 1.2121 as the resistance in the Great Britain pound. Aussie, yesterday we started buying this, but it has again come below. So that's why if you remember yesterday when I was talking to you, why I don't want to buy this market. Yesterday something was going on in my mind that the structure of the market is south or down. I wanted the market structure to change. Now you see, if the market makes a lower low here, which will be I think higher than 0.6668, if the market makes a lower low here and then breaks this high, then the market structure will be broken to the upside, if you see. And we want to enter in the buy direction when the structure breaks. So you're getting me, right? Something like this may happen soon. This is what I am expecting. Make some sense? Because in this case, now this will be your potential. I'm short in the ODST. Well, my friend MGA, if you are short already, if you are short right now or from yesterday, then that is another story. But if you are short from here 0.6915, then it is very impressive. And although if you are short, I must it's my duty to alert you that we have already reached at a place from where I will be looking for the buyers to come in and support the price here. This is the level. This is the level. So you keep an eye from this morning. Okay. So you are maybe in profits already, and I'll be asking you to keep your stop losses very tight, because you don't know when it is going to explode to the upside. Really, I'm telling you, you will not be able to notice when the buying emerges here, because this is not the daily or weekly I'm talking about. This is the monthly thing that I'm talking about. And the price has already reached a place where I will be definitely be buying this market. 0.6668. Anytime the price hits there, boom, this is something which is going to happen. Okay, soon the price will hit this area, and then boom, something like this will happen, and you will not have time. Believe me, you will not have time. So my suggestion, my humble opinion, that please keep trailing your stop loss as the new lows, new highs, the lower highs are being formed. Keep trailing your stop losses while you are going down. That's it from my side, guys. Now the New Zealand dollar is going down to, actually it has gone to that zone which I was saying that there is a potential buy zone here, and the price has already gone there and immediately came back. I think it came back within 30 minutes. Let me check. Oh, load might, okay, so you see the price remained here for a very short period of time, so there's a lot of buying here at the lower levels. Now those levels will hold or not, I'm not sure, but you look at this price action here, this price action, this did not give time to anybody to go short. So those who are shorting here, they are trying it hard to push the price lower. And I will say that on 30 minutes also we can see that the price action is down only, but as soon as it goes up, I will be looking for a buying position here in this market. Okay guys, from the daily point of view, I'm bullish in this one, okay, because the market structure has been broken to the upside. So this area may be an area of opportunity to go long. Also there's a fair value gap here. So yes, this is your fair value gap. The price has already been respecting this gap, so there's a possibility of price breaking higher than this high, which is around 0.6275, and thereafter 0.6364, 0.6537. This is what I'm expecting in the New Zealand dollar in the coming days. USD JPY, this is hourly. Let's switch to the daily. Okay, USD JPY, a strong bullish pin bar at the support of 135.36. It is a clear indication that the price is headed towards 137.67. But should you buy here? No, because you're far from the support area. So do not expect any buying here. But look for the price action to clear from 137.67. If it does so, then you can be looking for a buying opportunity close to 137.67 when the price comes to this area from the top, not from the bottom. Okay, this is how it works. USD CAD, well, I think there is a possibility that the US dollar will fall greatly as compared to the Canadian dollar. Why I'm saying so? Because there is a clear breakout in the Brent oil. If there's a clear breakout in the crude oil, then the price of crude will rise and Canadian dollar will rise, so US dollar will fall, and that is what my thinking is. But right now I can say 1.3684 is the resistance, 1.3502 is the support, and also see how the price is making a symmetrical triangle. That means it is consolidating, or you can say it, there is an indecision forming. There is an indecision forming here in this market, so as to which direction it should be taking, something like this. In fact, I can join these two highs and then it will become like this. So there's an indecision forming here, and I am expecting the price to move lower towards 1.3500. Let us see how the things unfold in this one. 1.3684 is the resistance. 1.3502 is still the support for the US dollar against the Canadian one. USD CHF. Well, yesterday there was a bullish pin bar. Today there's an indecision candle, but we are very close to the resistance of 0.9479, almost like 60 points away. Tomorrow we may get this opportunity, because today is Thursday. Tomorrow we may get this opportunity. If not, then next week expect this area to be an area of sellers. I'm not bluffing, guys. You please watch this area very closely, because I am watching this area very closely. 0.9479 area is a very good area to go short in this market, but I will not be going short just like that. I'll be reacting to what happens here. Silver. Well, silver is in a buy zone already. Okay, we are targeting 22.01 in the silver. There's a lot of buying. Can you see this price action and the volume support? So you see how this works. I will tell you something. Okay, guys, do you see this candle here, and do you see this volume? This candle, when it is breaking lower from this candle, it is suggesting that I'm going down. So who all are coming with me? Boom, 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 boom. So you see this volume at this particular 4 hour is suggesting me which direction the market is going to take. So the highest volume says we are going up. So they are going to Ibiza, maybe heading towards these two highs, or maybe even to 22.01. So keep an eye. If this closes as the bullish engulfing and the bullish pin bar, I think that will be an indication to go long in silver. Gold, we are already long from 1807. Anybody remembers? No? Fine, that's your problem. But I suggested you to open a buy position here, but it's okay. My suggestion, you don't have to just stick to it, but just keep an eye. Okay, this double bottom breakout, thereafter it is carrying on. 1865 is the first resistance that it will meet on the way up. Okay, also these highs, I said that they may be okay, I will just draw them. These highs may offer some resistance to the price when it strikes here around 1845, but I will be looking for 1865 to be held as the resistance, and then push back to the 1807 level. Brent finally trying to break out of 84.27 level. If it gives a clean close above this, then a retracement to 84.27 may be seen as a buying opportunity with the target around 86.91. Before this closing, I cannot say anything. There is still 12 hours 11 minutes to close this candle. So before that happens, I will say let's wait and watch what happens. Okay, so let's not be very aggressive here in buying, and wait for the right price, right time, and in the right amount we will buy it. The small stop loss below 84.27 and targeting 86.91, and later on maybe 88.60 also. USD ZAR is trying to consolidate, actually 18.20 to 18 point, like it was it is an inside bar from yesterday's. In the 4 hour, I think it will be more clear. The price is trying to consolidate between these levels, and it is really consolidating well. On the lower side, we have a support at 17.99. Yesterday I was thinking that it will be achieved, but it did not. For some reason there was buying here, and there became a bullish pin. Try shorting this on demo, stopped out loss. You try to short on Brent, I mean Desert Island. Did you try to short Brent or USD ZAR? Waiting for your response, because now this is live. We have only 2 seconds delay from you and me. We have no delay whatsoever, you can say. So were you trying to short crude oil, or you were trying to short USD ZAR? Well, you're not answering. Okay. So I'm trying to talk about the USD ZAR here, and I'm referring that there is a possibility that the USD ZAR may go and test 18.3199. When you look here, the symmetry, or not the symmetry, the double top has been broken to the downside. If the price goes to 18.3199, I think the sellers will try to jump in again to push the prices back towards 17.9910. Well, that is what I think about it. So lag here. There should not be lag. All right, Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is saying I am going to go down. Who is coming with me? I think those okay, no, there is something interesting building up here. Okay, till that time I think this low of this candle is holding. I cannot be sure that the price is going to go down. The low of this candle is 22994. Now why I'm saying this, because here's some small price action happening. Maybe on the 4 hour it will be clear. So you see the structure here, is up in the very short term. Okay, it is up, but it will be down as soon as this low is taken out. Now this low will be taken out only when this daily candle's low, when the low of this candle is taken out. So I'll say that 22994.6, when it is taken out, we can be looking for the selling opportunity. Or what you can do is you can, but this is not for scalping, this is Bitcoin, guys. A lot of spread I think in this one. Yeah, Bitcoin has, well, huge spread. So I'll say stay away from this one, guys. You don't want to short it, right? Okay, stay away. But yes, you got it. 21,342 is the support, 25,207 is the resistance. Any trade below 22,994.6 will expose 21,342 in this market. Euro JPY, I'm very bullish still on the Euro JPY, because this is a weekly breakout to the upside. So even if the price comes to 143.65 to test this as the fresh support, I'll still be a buyer and targeting 146.72 in this market, guys. But now the price is not in a buying area. Buying area is 143.65 to 142.93. Euro GBP, it is in the zone still where I will be a seller, but the price action is not suggesting me to go short. I cannot sell at a green candle. So if I go to 4 hour and I see a bearish pin bar, maybe I'll be looking for a selling entry. Okay, but there is a bullish pin. So yeah, what you can do is boom. This is a pattern of consolidation. This pattern which is forming here is a pattern of consolidation like this. So when something like this forms, I think you should not be looking for a selling opportunity, but you should be looking for a buying opportunity like this. But the problem with this one is that the price is already trading at the confluence of two resistances. One is this one is this one. So I think the sellers will keep entering here and push the prices down to 0.8800 and maybe 0.8758 and maybe even 0.8721 here in this market, because the falling channel is going down. All right, and also this breakdown and the retest will be over. So I'll be looking for euro to fall against the Great Britain pound in the future. USA 500, I was bearish in this one from like last week. And the last week we had what was the date last week? The last week we had 24th. Yes, so 24th, from this candle here we were bearish, and we are expecting this to act as a selling zone, and this beautifully acted as a selling zone, and now we are targeting 3885 in this market. Nothing new. 3885 is the support, 3993 is the resistance. That's all, guys. Nothing new in here. About the euro Australian dollar, I think this bullish engulfing is now forcing me to push the prices up, and I think this high and then this high, these are the ultimate target for the euro. And after that 1.6242, which is the major target from this inverse head and shoulder breakout, I think that is 1.6242 where we should be targeting ultimately. All right, support is 1.5749, immediate resistance is 1.5814 area. Ethereum is not looking good, at least on the daily it is not looking good. 1.1555 is the support, 1673 is the resistance. Nothing new. Looking at this price action, it seems like it is going to go down for some time. CAD JPY, although there was a bullish pin bar yesterday, and there was also, okay, wait, do you see this? At the bullish pin bar, there was a lot of volumes, but these volumes could not clear the high of the previous day. So even today, there is no much buying here. So if somebody is reluctant to buy at, or I will say all of them are reluctant to buy at this level, where they are thinking that there is a possibility of huge resistance in this red zone here. Now this red zone is 38.2 to 50% of this previous fall. So expect a lot of sellers trying to emerge here and push the prices back towards 94.63. Let us see how the things unfold in this one also, but keep a sharp eye around 101.40. I'm not saying specifically this level, but I'm saying around this area you will find a lot of sellers and push price down. Well, as soon as this channel is taken out, I think you should be looking for a selling opportunity. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please ask me the questions. I'll be very happy to answer them. That's it. That's it from my side, guys. Sorry, my mistake. I am short at the New Zealand dollar. Are you? New Zealand dollar. Okay, at what level are you short? Because if you are short, then the price is already at the level where you should be looking for booking profits. Okay, you said that you are short in Australian dollar. You should be short. You are short in New Zealand dollar actually. Okay, but I think the price has already witnessed that area where you should be booking your profits, my friend. MGA, don't you think so? But if you have not already booked your profit, at least on the 1 hour, you can keep your stop loss above this high. That is 0.6228, above the high of this candle. No, this is not even. So I think you should keep your stop loss around 0.6235. All right, guys, that's all from my side. I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in coming hours and days. Just keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow 16:30 GMT. Peace.